Sabi ko, ang mga Pilipino mahilig kumain. Ano ang favorite yung kainin?
Welcome sa Filipino sa Africa.
Okay, you already know the drill. You can see here different types of Filipino food. So we have pancit canton, we have the kikiam, and the squid ball. So we'll be doing mukbang, but there's a twist. I will be asking them questions in Portuguese, and they will be answering the question based on what they understand about the question given in Portuguese. So without further ado, let's start our mukbang. Let's do it. So prepare namin yung food na na-miss ko dito sa Philippines. Like the following foods prepared.
Question number 1.
So I have here Vanessa, a future lawyer. I have here Michelle, future civil engineer, and Jillian, already a licensed civil engineer. So here's the first question. Você é solteira ou tem marido?
Masarap.
Masarap. Solteira ou marido?
Salty. Not salty.
You? Solteira or marido?
Marido.
Sabi ko, are you single or married? And you are saying salty.
It sounds like, is it spicy
Quanto
or
ano
salty?
você, Vanessa?
Yes.
Yes? Quanto ano você?
Like,
Quanto ano você? Quanto ano você?
maybe.
Sabi ko, ilang taon na kayo?
I'm 25. 21.
24.
And are you still considered single?
No.
Yeah, because you're not yet married.
Taken yun kasi magano.
Taken, but still.
Single.
Yeah.
I'm single.
I'm double.
Single but not ready to
Bingo.
mingle.
No worry. I'm asking my mom about it.
Nakapamsong.
Madimin. Charis. Hindi mo sa'yo cake yan. Dito more question.
Hindi ako makapag-isip.
So, how's Africa?
It's fine, just simple life, but I'm enjoying there. That's the most important thing. Here's the next question.
Smiling.
Filipinos gostar de comer. O que comida você quer comer cada
Yes.
vez?
Filipinos are hospitable.
Você?
Yeah?
True.
Sabi ko, ang mga Pilipino mahilig kumain. Ano ang favorite yung kainin? Bunny?
My favorite is
Your favorite food?
tooth.
Oh my god.
Everything.
Like?
Tooth.
But
Like,
you still have the
Yeah.
most favorite food.
my most favorite food is palabok.
Palabok?
Palabok
Hmm?
ng manginasal.
Sisig. Gillian?
Siyempre, dinakdakan.
Ay, dinakdakan.
Oh, same.
Ako din, favorite ko yung dinakdakan or sisig. Dinakdakan is an Ilocano dish and the Tagalog version is called sisig. It's made up of,
Talaga ba?
yeah,
Yeah.
it's made up of grilled pork and
Mascara. Pork mascara.
chopped into little pieces. Then they put mayonnaise or pork brain with mayonnaise, a lot of onions and
Luya.
ginger.
Gasang?
Mhm.
Sigo ko. Ano yung sauce na?
Oo, ako din. Mas gusto ko yung walang sauce.
Ang sarap ng cake yan. Manamis-namis. Iba ang lasa ng pancit canton pag dinala mo sa abroad.
I know the taste.
Mas masarap.
It tastes like, no. It tastes
Yeah.
like sabot.
Mas masarap kasi kung di ba limited lang.
Mm-mm. Alam pa convenience store na dito?
Wala.
I mean, Filipino.
May Asian pero not Filipino. Mostly Chinese. Chinese noodles, Chinese food. We have Yakult but it's Chinese version.
But the taste is different.
Yeah.
The same pa rin?
Different.
Some sort of the same.
What is the name of your companion there, Tito?
Marami.
Hindi yung ano, yung lagi mo kasama sa vlog.
Si Lucia.
Hi, Lucia! Sana makasama ka rin namin. You translate
Hindi,
it in
actually,
Portuguese.
si Lucia is helper ko. But, since I'm living alone at home, sinasama ko siya sa vlog ko. At pinamis ko sa kanya na dadalhin ko siya sa Pilipinas pag nakaipon ako ng airfare papunta dito sa Pilipinas kasi since lagi ko siyang sinasama sa vlogs. Since earning naman yung mga vlogs ko, siguro iipunin ko na lang hanggat makaipon ako ng pampakon niya. Pamasahe papuntang Pilipinas.
Can't wait to see you, Lucia.
Or baka mamaya mag-donate si Gillian. Our licensed engineer.
Maybe.
Wow, may pag-an. Recorded yun, guys. So, sisigilin natin sa after maybe like 5 years. Pag successful na siya sa ibang bansa. Do you prefer working abroad or here in the Philippines?
Philippines.
Sa bagay, ikaw ang
Philippines.
papalit sa papa mo. So, you also Philippines? You, Michelle? When you already receive your license, would you prefer working here or abroad?
Here in the Philippines.
Yeah, here also.
Why?
You, Bari.
Here
Yeah,
din, Tito.
you need to work here because that's for public servant. We need to help our fellow Filipinos, especially those who are lacking resources. Right? Because there's a video, right? It's like,
Hindi din.
Where?
kilala ka namin ba?
No, we are likely, what do we call that? We are, yes.
We are what? Kaya mo yan.
Bilang ano, pinalaki ako sa a generous family. So we need to give it back to people
Wow, pang Miss
in a way of
Universe.
serving them. Yes,
Malalaman-laman na.
Lang mahal pala ng single mo.
Nasa Thailand.
Recorded yan, guys.
1,000 per firma ng notary.
Tignan mo. Diyos.
Hindi, wala pa kang lisensya. Pero it is more like my dream.
Two.
To help people.
Yeah.
To give back.
Sabi nga nila, the more you give, the more you receive.
Yeah.
Please, bigyan ka sa mamaya na.
Problem.
Jacket! Bigyan ng jacket yan.
Wala pong talking iPhone dyan.
Baka naman.
Ala, mag-inom ako ng pang-detox later. Gusto nyo?
Ha?
Ang sita ko.
So, we're full na,
Sarap.
guys.
Ang sarap pag may coke. Though, these are unhealthy foods, we don't recommend them eating often. But it's good if you are craving.
And in moderate.
Yeah. And in moderation. Sabi ni
And Katrina na
Miss Universe
2018.
2018. Yeah.
Yeah, in moderation.
Hindi pwedeng hindi maubos to, hindi mukbang pag hindi naubos.
Pwede ano?
Yan lagi ang sinasabi
Take
ko
out.
Take out.
Hindi pwede.
Kala ko namang ubusin. Pero aabot tayo hanggang. Umaga. 10
Ay,
o'clock.
ito yung next question.
Mhm.
Since pupunta ang ating Gillian sa Dubai, anong gusto mong pasalubong?
Gusto ko makauwi silang safe.
Yun na. Seryoso?
Joke ka din sa akin iPhone
Puro,
14.
puro choice yung mga sagot mo.
Pang celebrity.
Seryoso, ano nga? Sabihin mo na, yung kwan, yung abot kaya, hindi yung impossible.
Wala naman. Hindi naman na kasi ako materialistic. Pero
So, ano ibig mo sabihin?
iPhone 15 Pro Max.
Seryoso! iPhone
Wala.
13 nga yung